Welcome to Carlton Trail College. Humboldt. Established in 1973, our primary campus location in Humboldt was one of the first regional colleges to be launched in Saskatchewan. From this humble beginning, Carlton Trail College has grown and now serves over 100 regional communities across East Central Saskatchewan, including those in Wynyard, Watrous, and Punishai. We have 2 learning facilities in Humboldt. The first is our administrative and classroom location, located at 611 17th Street, which is attached to the east end of Humboldt Collegiate Institute and the Humboldt Uniplex. Here, we offer students in-depth applied learning programs, including post-secondary educational programs, professional studies and technology programs, safety and health training, workplace skills training, industrial and workforce development, English language training, continuing education courses, and academic upgrading and essential skills programs. Next, we have our Trades and Technical Building, located on 4th Avenue in Humboldt. Commonly referred to as the Trades Building, this facility houses the classes and equipment used for many of our hands-on trades programs, including our first-rate welding, electrical, and industrial mechanics programs. Originally built in 1989, this facility will be undergoing expansion and renovation in the very near future. Students coming to Humboldt to learn can also enjoy many other aspects and amenities of the community, including recreational and cultural opportunities. We look forward to seeing you here. Visit us online at carltontrailcollege.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and now YouTube.